Good morning, class 10. Today we will start exercise 9.1 example 13. Okay, example 13. See students, we have solved maximum examples. I am taking examples in the end. Clear? Now see, I am reading example 13. As observed from the top of 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. Okay, so let us draw 75-meter high lighthouse. Suppose this is 75-meter high lighthouse. Okay, this is water level. Now water level like ground. Okay, because ships are in sea. From top, the angles of depression of two ships are, one ship is here and one ship is apart, because the angles are different, 30 degree and 45 degree. Okay, now see, from this top first we have to draw baseline. We know angle of depression means angle below baseline. So I am just joining ship 1 to the top and ship 2 to the top. Clear? Let us take this A and B, ship 1, ship 2, and this is say C and D is top of the lighthouse. Clear? Now see, they are telling angle 30 degree and angle 45 degree. Clearly it is visible. These small angles means must be 30 degree and this is 45 degree. Clear? Now see, height of the lighthouse is 75 meter. 75 meter. We must show in diagram very clearly. See, angle of depression, look here, this angle is bigger and this is small. So this is 30 degree angle of depression, and we know this baseline is parallel to water level. So angle this one and R, this angle and this angle are alternate interior angles. So this is 30 degree, so this is 30 degree. This big angle is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. Therefore, this is also 45 degree. Alternate interior angles. Got it? They are giving us angle of depression. So by using the property of alternate interior angles, we can write these angles equal. Okay. Now see, if one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between two ships. They are asking us AB equal to question mark. See now, AB is part of BC. Can you name two triangles? See, one triangle is DCA and other triangle is DCB. Okay, now using triangle separately, we will find in one triangle BC and in other triangle AC. Clear? Now let us take in triangle, which should I take? DCA. Okay. Now see, tan 45 equal to DC upon AC. So 1 equal to, DC is what? 75 meter upon AC. So cross multiplication, AC equal to 75 meter. Now see, from all these examples, wherever there is 45 degree, if there is 45 degree, then both sides of the triangle are equal. आप डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं इन ट्रायंगल DCA AC equal to 75. You can write directly. No need to write this one. Okay, that is property of right triangle. When two acute angles are 45, then sides are equal. Okay. Now other. Again, I am taking in triangle DCB, tan 30 equal to DC upon BC. Okay, tan 30 is what? Yes, 1 upon root 3. This is 75 upon BC. We got BC equal to 75 root 3. We want AB. and AB is part of BC. So I got BC, I got AC. So BC minus AC is AB. Now see, AB equal to BC minus AC. That is equal to 75 root 3 minus 75. So AB equal to 75 common root 3 minus 1. That is meter. Got it? So this is distance between two ships. Now see students, all of you, I am sure here what is important in all examples, only diagram is important. If you draw correct diagram, you are getting triangles and you use the laws property. Very simple, right? Very nice. Now we will take example number, let us take 1515. That highway leads to the foot of tower. Let us draw diagram. This is tower. This is straight highway. Okay. Let us name tower AB. Okay. And man standing at the top of the tower. This is man. This is man. Okay. Observes car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees. If it is said angle of depression, angle of elevation, we must first draw baseline. Baseline is this. Right? He observes a car. Definitely car, suppose car is here at this point. Angle of depression, let's join this car to the top of the tower. This angle of depression, 30 degree. Clear? Therefore, plus 30 degree, this angle is also 30 degree and alternate interior angles, right? Now this car is approaching the foot of tower with uniform speed. We will assume, say this point is C, let speed of car equal to x kilometer per hour. Okay, or we can assume speed also in seconds. No need to make our calculation be difficult. X meter per second. Okay, we are assuming it. Clear? Because time is given in seconds, then we must see. Let us read further. 6 seconds later, after 6 seconds, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. After 6 seconds, car is approaching to tower, means this is the way this is moving towards B. So let us say this point D. After 6 seconds, car is coming to point D on the road. Okay, and now join this. Let us join this one. So this angle of depression is what? 60 degree. Yes or no? And therefore this angle is also 60 degree. See students, important is drawing diagram. Clear? If you are successful in drawing diagram, you are understanding very well. Now time from C to D is 6 seconds. Time taken from C to D equal to 6 seconds. So time is in seconds, so we have taken speed of the car, say meter per second. Right? Now see, they are asking find the time taken by car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So time taken, they are asking us to find time taken from point D to B. Time taken to cover dB equal to question mark. Okay, are you understanding students? In examples, first of all, important is diagram, assumptions. Okay, now let us take, if time from C to D is 6 seconds, speed is x, you know, see, speed equal to distance upon time. Therefore, distance equal to speed multiplied by time. Got it? So therefore, see now, therefore, DC equal to, you can write, distance is what? DC. Speed is what? X. Time is what? 6. So this is 6x meter. Clear? Okay, fine. Now see, students, all of you, I hope up to this you understood now. Now we will take these triangles. What are two triangles? One ACB and ADB. And now I am taking triangle, say ADB. चलो, in triangle एक एक लेंगे अपन, कोई भी ले सकते हैं आप. Okay, you can take any triangle. So tan 60 equal to, yes, AB upon BD. Tan 60 is what? Root 3. AB is common in both triangles. Okay, upon BD. Clear? Therefore you got this. Now let us take this common AB equal to root 3 BD. Box number 1. Clear? Understood this much? Right? Now I am taking second triangle. In triangle, what is second triangle? ACB. What is angle? 30 degrees. So tan 30 equal to AB upon CB or BC. So root tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 equal to AB upon BC. Clear? Now just look here. We got AB is root 3 BD. Yes or no? Clear? So we can write this AB. AB is common in both triangles. Let us see now. 1 upon root 3. That BC. Where is BC? BC. BC is 6x plus BD. Yes or no? 6x plus BD. That is what I am taking. BC equal to root 3 AB. Cross multiplication. Clear? And BC is what, beta? BC is sum of DC and BD. So I am writing this. BC is sum of DC plus BD equal to root 3 AB. Are you getting? Please understand this one. Now we are simply putting the values. Clear? Okay. And we know now, see, AB equal to what? Root 3 BD. Yes or no? So in place of AB, we can write value of AB from here. So we got it now. DC also, say, look at the diagram. DC is what? 6x. DC is 6x. We can write it 6x plus BD. Okay. Plus BD equal to root 3 into root 3 BD. Right? See now, root 3. So 6x equal to 6x plus BD equal to 3 times BD. Yes or no? So BD is coming to this side. Okay. So 6x equal to 2 times BD. Okay. 6x equal to 2 times BD. So we can cancel. So BD equal to 3x. Please see. You got this BD equal to 3x. CD equal to 6x. Clear? Now look here. We got both angles and both distances, CD and BD. CD is known. BD is known. So we are asked to find time taken to cover from B to D. So if distance is 3x, speed is x, we can find time. Now see, therefore we just if we are knowing, students, look here now, if we are knowing DC and BD, we are asked to find the time from B to D. So this is what distance in meter, speed is x meter per second. We can take time. Therefore, time taken to cover from B to D to B equal to, what is formula? distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. And what is distance, students? 3x. That is equal to 3x. Upon speed what? X. Yes or no? So that's x cancel. That will be 3 seconds. Clear? Okay, students? Fine. Friends, please watch the video 2 times. Draw diagram properly. Find out DC, which is already given. Assumption is very important. Now take both triangles and get BD in terms of x, so that you can find time taken to cover the distance from D to B. Fine. Now students, in next video we will take one more example. See you.